Going on your first cruise? Listen up, cruise cabins are small. Like, really small. And if you pack the wrong items, security will take them away before you even board. Nobody wants to start vacation like that. So today, I'm giving you the smart cruise packing list. What not to bring, what you must bring, and a few pro tips that will make you look like a cruise expert on day one. Let's get into it. First, irons and steamers. They are not allowed. Fire risk. If your clothes wrinkle, bring wrinkle release spray. Or hang your clothes in the bathroom while you shower. Steam works great. Second, surge protector power strips. Most cruise ships ban them. They will take it at security. Bring a simple extension cord without surge protection or a USB charging hub. Cabins usually have only 2 outlets. Third, outside alcohol. Most cruise lines don't allow liquor. Some allow 1 bottle of wine per adult. Check your cruise website before packing. Rules are different for every line. Also avoid bringing candles, coffee makers, hot plates, drones. Some lines restrict them. If it produces heat or flame, leave it at home. Now let's talk smart packing. Bring magnetic hooks. Cruise cabin walls are metal. You can hang hats, bags, jackets, lanyards. It saves space and keeps your room organized. Bring an over-the-door organizer. Bathrooms are small. Use it for toothpaste, sunscreen, makeup, medicine, keeps everything neat. Bring a small medicine kit. Medicine on board is expensive. A simple headache pill can cost $10 or more. Bring pain relievers, seasickness tablets, motion patches, and basic first aid. Also pack sunscreen. It's expensive at the port. Flip-flops for the pool. A refillable water bottle. A lanyard for your cruise card. A backpack for shore excursions. One nice outfit for formal night. And download your cruise line's app before boarding. It shows daily schedules, restaurants, and activities. Here's a big rookie mistake. Your checked suitcase may take 4 to 5 hours to reach your cabin. So bring a carry-on bag with swimsuit, sunscreen, flip-flops, medicine, important documents, phone charger. That way you can hit the pool, grab food, and start relaxing immediately. No waiting around. Keep your passport and boarding documents in a small folder. Arrive early at the port. And always check your cruise line's website for updated rules before packing. Now you're ready to cruise smart. In my next video, I'll show you how to find free food, secret spots, and the best activities on board without spending extra money. Subscribe to Miss Marlin and let's cruise smarter. See you on deck.